Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I got a new series I want to start or talk about. You know, we all know about this big lake I'm building, hopefully building. I'm still trying to get those permits. I want to build some ponds. You know, we got this property over here, and I think it'd be cool to have a bunch of different ponds. So I'm going to take you guys over there and show you this first pond that I've started. All right, guys, so here we are, and you'll notice I already got water, I got rocks. I kind of did this backwards. You know, I got in a hurry, and I didn't do a lot of filming in the early stages, but I did take a lot of photos and little short videos with my camera. So I want to show you some of that you can go back here, and I'm going to put in this video right here. So, like, you'll notice these first few photos and videos, you know, this pond was completely silted in. Like, it had been dug out with an excavator a couple times. Had a really high bank, you know, all the way around it, you know, because that excavator would dig and just put it out. Well, then I had to come in and like try to clean all of it out. Like, there was so much silt in the belly of this pond. And I think when they built it, they actually took an excavator and harvested some shale, or I don't guess you harvest shale, but they excavated shale to use on roads because it had a really deep hole right over here. But you can see through some of these photos, you know, just the process of all that mud. I was amazed. You know, we set the excavator up over here and we were throwing that mud over. Jeff Plummer was helping me throwing that mud over, and I was pushing it with the bulldozer. And then one day I'm here by myself and I'm trying to push it with the bulldozer, and that's when I found that big deep hole in the middle. I mean, I got stuck, big time stuck. And then I broke my cable. And then I finally got it out. We got it all out and got some videos and photos of that. But there was a lot of material. Like, you'll see, like, you know, in the photos, all the mud and sludge. It was just like a lava that would just flow out there. I was just amazed by how much that stuff just flowed out in front of the dozer. You know, it was really cool. But I've had a lot of help. You know, I'm obviously not an expert pond builder. I'm learning, you know, but Jeff Plummer's helped me a bunch. Another guy by the name of Warren and his friend Blake are really good on dozers and excavators. They've helped a bunch, but we dug it out. It's super deep right here, and I think I got some photos to show you how deep it is. It's going to be like 16 to 20 feet. You know, 20 feet here and comes up to 16 in that neck. And then you've got this flat here, and we just put all this really cool structure. Blake did a really phenomenal job stacking all these rocks up. One thing they said, and I haven't even got to tell you guys, so I'm going to stock this thing with smallmouth. That's why we put all this rock in here. I've done some research on it. I talked to Steve Barden, a really good fisheries biologist. Talked to some people that raise smallmouth, and they will do great in this pond. I'm not spring fed, anything like that. It's muddy right now, but it'll end up being clear. It's all clear coming in. I just had a mess up there, but we're gonna put smallmouth in here, pellet trained smallmouth. Super excited about that, and that's why I got so much rock material. They said the smallmouth will do great as long as I don't have a largemouth in here and a lot of vegetation. So this is project number 1, or introduction to the pond. Couple reasons why I built this pond. Obviously, I love bass fishing, and I'd love to have a pond that I could stock smallmouth in. This is a pond that I could do it because there's really no ponds above it. And 2, I am planting some elderberries, guys. News flash here. This is brand new, first time I've told anybody this, but I'm going to irrigate my elderberries out of this pond. So we're going to build a dock over here that I can irrigate out of. also to put my fish feeder on for the smallmouth. These will be pellet train smallmouth. And yeah, this is the pond. This is the first of 4 ponds. I don't know exactly the number yet. Fuel prices the way they are, it may my wife may draw me back a little bit because golly, it's expensive. But I want to catch you up. You guys got to look at some of this footage, you know, some of these pictures, you know, because I got ahead of myself. The water got in here and I was in a big hurry. I didn't do much filming. It's filling up quick. You know, I've actually got some pumps over here trying to pump some more of this water out to do some other projects in here. But I really like how my spillway turned out. We used riprap. It's kind of different than a pipe. I don't know. The next one I'm definitely going to do a pipe on, and we're going to build a hybrid bluegill pond up above it to catch trophy bluegill, and then maybe another small pond above it to put shiners in if I have enough room before I hit the property line. So guys, yeah, this is going to be a brand new series, you know, pond building and everything going in and around it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. You guys leave me some comments of you know, what you'd like to see, you know, or maybe some structure in it. I think it's going to be cool just to have smallmouth in this thing, you know, just for people that's never caught a smallmouth, you know, that can come out and catch a smallmouth. And I'm just excited about this series. It's going to be a lot of fun building these ponds. Got some time off between tournaments now where I can get a lot of this done. But you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.